iPhone SE 4 is one of the most anticipated devices of 2024. Set for an early 2025 launch, the fourth generation of iPhone SE is going to be a powerful device with flagship-level upgrades. Apple's iPhone SE series stands out by blending powerful performance with an affordable price in a compact package. The iPhone SE 3 and upcoming iPhone SE 4 continue this trend, each model building on the last with new features and enhancements. But is it worth buying the iPhone SE 3 in 2024? Let's find out. The iPhone SE 3 has kept its classic design, sporting a 4.7-inch Retina HD display, Touch ID, and thick bezels, ideal for fans of smaller phones with a sturdy build. On the other hand, the iPhone SE 4 is rumored to adopt a modern look similar to the iPhone 14, possibly featuring a larger 6.1-inch OLED screen with slimmer bezels, offering a more immersive experience and potentially switching from Touch ID to Face ID for added security. Performance is another area of improvement. The SE 3 comes with an A15 Bionic chip and 4 GB RAM, which handles everyday tasks and gaming efficiently. The SE 4 is expected to be even more powerful, likely incorporating the latest A18 chip with 8 GB RAM, making it faster and future-proof for years to come. The iPhone SE 3 is unable to support Apple Intelligence features, limited by its older chipset and smaller RAM capacity. On the other hand, the upcoming iPhone SE 4 is expected to fully support Apple Intelligence, thanks to its advanced A18 chipset and expanded 8 GB RAM, enabling a seamless experience with Apple's latest smart features. In terms of camera capabilities, the SE 3 has a 12-megapixel single-lens camera that performs well in good lighting but lacks advanced photography features. The SE 4, however, will include a 48-megapixel main camera, enhancing low-light photography, zoom, and overall image detail, alongside advanced features like night and portrait modes. Battery life and charging speeds are also anticipated to see upgrades. While the SE 3's battery life is suitable for moderate use with its 2018 mAh capacity, the SE 4 could offer a similar battery to iPhone 14, which is 3,279 mAh capacity, enabling longer usage and faster charging, making it a better fit for heavy users who need quick top-ups throughout the day. On the software side, both models will run the latest iOS software, but the SE 4's larger screen will likely enable a richer and more versatile user experience. The SE 3 delivers great value with its flagship-level performance at a reasonable price, appealing to those who prioritize affordability. However, the SE 4's enhanced features and updated design make it a compelling option for those willing to pay a bit more for a modern experience without the higher price of flagship models. Choosing between the two depends on budget and preference. The SE 3 is an excellent choice for users who want solid performance in a compact form at an affordable price. Meanwhile, the SE 4 is suited for those seeking a more advanced and feature-rich experience. Both models support 5G for faster connectivity and are water-resistant, adding durability for daily use. So which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive content and early tech updates. The link is available in the description. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.